Hi students, good afternoon. I hope you all are fine. Welcome to grade 12 business mathematics class. So we are learning our last section in our second chapter. Okay, last day I forgot to give the homeworks for you. So together we need to do today. Okay. So one more thing, in the last class, exercise 2.11, last one step I have left. So that one we will complete that. Okay. So the last step is, up to here we have completed. Okay, exercise 2.11, first problem, last two steps I have left. That is limit n tends to infinity, limit n tends to infinity. Up to here we have completed. That is n plus 1 by 2n plus 4n by n. Okay, so here n and n will get cancelled. Now what will you do? Limit n tends to infinity. Here you can take the n outside in the numerator. So 1 plus 1 by n divided by 2n plus 4 is there. So this n and n will get cancelled. Now in the place of n you apply the infinity. So 1 plus 1 by infinity. This term will become 0. Yes. So what's the balance will be there? Limit n tends to infinity we have applied. So 1 by 2 must be there plus 4. Now you take the LCM. 4 into 2 is 8. So 1 plus 8 by 2. So the answer is 9 by 2. I hope you all completed. The thing is, this one you need to complete it. Okay. So first you take down the homework. Today's homework, exercise 2.11. First problem we have completed. So 2, 3, 4 is your homework. Understand students? So today's homework is exercise 2.11, 2, 3, 4 is a homework. Only one example is left in this section. So in this class we will complete that example problem. Okay, so only one example problem is left in this section. So we will complete that example problem now. Okay. Example 2.83. Evaluate the integral as the limit of a sum. Integral 1 to 2 x square dx. Evaluate the integral as a limit of a sum. Integral 1 to 2 x square dx. Okay. So this is the only example left in this section. We will complete this. So the second unit will be over. Okay. Solution. First, what will you do? First, we will write the formula. Yes, write down the formula first. Integral a to b f of x dx is equal to limit n tends to infinity, h tends to 0, summation r equal to 1 to n h into f of a plus rh. What's the h? b minus a by n. So this is a formula. Yes. First what will we do? We will find the h value. Okay. So h is equal to, what's the formula? B minus a by n. What's the a value here? 1. What's the b value? 2. Now substitute in the formula. 2 minus 1 by n. The answer is 1 by n. So you got the h value here. Next. What's the f of x in this question? X square. Is it right? So afterwards what did we do? F of a plus rh we need to find. So f of, what's the a value? A value 1. Is it right? What's the f of a plus rh? What's the r? We don't know. 1 by n. Okay, so that's equal to f of 1 plus r by n. Okay, f of 1 plus r by n. So here it is x square. Is it right? So what will happen, ma? 1 plus r by n the whole square. Okay, got it? So x square is there. So f 1 plus r by n the whole square. Okay, so now we will expand by using a plus b the whole square formula. What's the formula for a plus b the whole square? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Now substitute here. What's the value? 1 square, that is 1, plus 2ab means 2r by n plus r square by n square. This is a value for f of a plus rh. Understand? F of a plus rh is equal to 1 plus 2r by n plus r square by n square. This is a f of a plus rh value. Next, what will you do? Limit, substitute the formula, n tends to infinity, summation r equal to 1 to n, if h value is 1 by n, is it right? So 1 by n into 1 plus 2r by n plus r square by n square. Okay. So next step, what you can do? You will multiply inside. Okay, multiply inside. So limit n tends to infinity, summation r equal to 1 to n, multiply 1 by n inside. So what will happen? 1 by n plus 2r by n square plus r square by n cube. So what I did, I multiplied that 1 by n inside. So 1 by n into 1 means 1 by n plus 2r by n square plus r square by n cube. Okay, so that's equal to limit n tends to infinity, summation r equal to 1 to n. Before that, constants, everything we will take outside. Yes. So what will happen? 1 by n is outside. So the balance is summation r equal to 1 to n. 1 will be there. Then here what's the constant? 2 by n square is common constant. So summation r equal to 1 to n. R alone will be there. Next, what is the constant? 1 by n cube is the constant. So summation r equal to 1 to n. R square must be there. So now you are going to substitute all the by using the formula. Limit n tends to infinity, 1 by n. What's the 1 value means? N, is it right? Plus 2 by n square into r for what's the formula? N into n plus 1 by 2. Then 1 by n cube into n square. R square means what's the formula? N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Okay. Now what will you do then afterwards? Common anything is there means you will cancel it. Is it right? Okay. So what are the terms will get cancelled? So here this n and n you will cancel. So here 1 and n will go. So here n cube is there, is it right? So it will become n square. Then here this n will get cancelled. So what's the balance? Limit n tends to infinity, 1 will be there, plus 2 by n into n plus 1 by 2 must be there. Then 1 by n square into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 must be there. Okay. So again I am writing the same step here. Limit n tends to infinity, 1 plus 2 by n into n plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by n square into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Okay. So here again you can take in the common outside and we will apply the limit, that is 1 plus 2 by n. So same as here, without avoiding your confusion I am taking the n outside. Okay. So what will happen here, ma'am? 1 plus 1 by n must be there. Okay, same as previous problem. So 1 by n square, here you can take n outside. So what will happen? N is outside means 1 plus 1 by n will be there. Here also you can take anything outside. Shall we take n outside? So what will happen? 2 plus 1 by n must be there. Okay, 6. So if there is any cancel means you can cancel it. So this n and n will go. So this n again, this n and n. So what's the balance? So limit n tends to infinity, 1 plus 2 into 1 plus 1 by n by 2 plus 1 plus 1 by n into 2 plus 1 by n divided by 6. So this 2 get cancelled. So apply the limit for everything. So here it will be 1, is it right? So if you apply here means 1 plus 1 by 0, 1 you will get. Again you will get 1 plus 2 by 6, is it right? Okay, so into, is it right? So what's the value you will get? 1 plus 1 plus 1 into 2 is 2 by 6. So if you cancel means 1 by 3. Take the LCM. So 3 plus 1 by 3. So 7 by 3 is the answer. Understand? So you will get somewhat confusion. So anyhow I will repeat it again. So up to here it will be okay. So 1 by n is there. Multiply with inside. Take the constant outside. Common term you can cancel. Apply the formula for summations. Then here carefully you do. Okay. 2 by n. Here n plus 1 by. If it is n plus 1, take n outside. For that only from first problem onwards, all the problems I am following the same method. Okay. So each and every problem, if there is n plus 1 term, I am taking the n outside. Okay. So to avoid your confusion, I am doing the same method. So you also follow that. Okay. So n plus 1 is there means n you take common. So here 2n plus 1 means also n you will take the common. So your remaining is the balance. So 1 by n place you will substitute in the place of n as infinity. So 1 by infinity the value is 0. Okay. So here into. Okay. Not plus. So into is 1 we will get, this term will be 0. This term will be 0. So 1 into 2 not plus. So 1 into 2 is 2. So if you simplify you get 7 by 3. Okay students, we have completed the second chapter. So I hope all the examples and without leaving any exercise I gave all the problems. I hope you all maintaining your classworks neatly and studying your everyday portion. So second unit is over. So I am not able to explain the one words now. The reason is it will take long time when you are explaining now for one verse. So just I will mark and give the one words for you. Okay. The reason is there will be an exam for you. I will mark and give all the one words question. First unit also I not gave the one verse. So first unit also I will mark and give the one verse. Second unit also I will mark and give the one words. Okay, in this class. So next class we will start the new chapter, third chapter. Okay, integral calculus 2. Before that, today itself I can start. The reason is before itself you need to complete the class work neatly. Wherever you left anything, please complete it everything. So now we can take, you all of you take down your book. Now I am dictating the answer for you. You just take down. Understand students? All of you take down your books. First all of you turn to the second unit, page number 53, 2.12 exercise, one word question. We will mark it. Afterwards first chapter also we will mark it today. Okay. Then third chapter we will start in the next class. Okay. So okay students, today I gave 3 homeworks for you. Please complete it. Okay. Before the next class, please complete it up to the second unit. Then only it will be very easy to start the third unit. Understand students? Take down your books, mark down the homeworks. Sorry, mark down the one words. I am dictating the answer. Take down your books, mark along with it. Okay. Exercise 2.12. Okay. First one. Integral of 1 by x cube dx is. Mark it students. Take down your books all of you. First one, integral of 1 by x cube dx is, if you can, you work out it. Integral of 1 by x cube dx is, B option is the answer. Integral of 2 power x dx is, C option is the answer. Integral of sine 2x divided by 2 sine x is, in option A is the answer. Fourth one, sine 5x minus sine x by cos 3x is equal to, option A is the answer. Integral of log x by x dx, x greater than 0 is, option A is the answer. Sixth one, integral of e power x divided by root of 1 plus e power x dx is, option B is the answer. Seventh one, integral root of e power x dx is, option B is the answer. Eighth one, integral of e power 2x into 2x square plus 2x dx is, option A is the answer. Integral of e power x divided by e power x plus 1 dx is, option D is the answer. Integral of 9 by x minus 3 minus 1 by x plus 1 into dx is, option C is the answer. 11th one, integral of 2x cube divided by 4 plus x power 4 dx is, option B is the answer. Integral of dx divided by square root of x square minus 36 is, option B is the answer. Then 13th one, integral of 2x plus 3 divided by square root of x square plus 3x plus 2 dx is, option B is the answer. Integral of 0 to 1 2x plus 1 dx is Option B, 2 is the answer. Integral of 15th one. Integral of 2 to 4 dx by x is log 2. C option is the answer. 16th one. Integral of 0 to infinity e power minus 2x dx is option D, 1 by 2 is the answer. 17th one. Integral of minus 1 to 1 x cube e power x power 4 dx is C option 0 is the answer. 18th one. If f of x is a continuous function and a less than c less than b, then integral a to c f of x dx plus integral of c to b f of x dx is option C is the answer. The value of integral of minus pi by 2 pi by 2 cos x dx, the answer is 2. B option is the answer. 20. Integral of 0 to 1 square root of x power 4 1 minus x square dx is first option A is the answer. 21. If integral of 0 to 1 f of x dx is equal to 1, integral of 0 to 1 x f of x dx is equal to A, option B is the answer. The value of this particular integral, the answer B is the answer. 23. Integral of 0 to 4 square root of x plus 1 by square root of x dx is 28 by 3, C option is the answer. Integral of 0 to pi by 3 tan x dx is log 2. 25, the answer is A. 26, gamma of n, the value is n minus 1 the whole factorial. Gamma of 1, the value is 1, 27. Then 28, if n greater than 0, then gamma of n is option D is the answer. Then 29, gamma of 3 by 2, the value is root pi by 2. Integral of 0 to infinity x power 4 e power minus x dx, the answer is 4 factorial. Understand? So 30 one words questions are there. You just mark it. Those who can, please work out it and find out the answer. If you are doing in the classwork, it will take 4 or 5 classes to explain the one word simply. So afterwards, I will explain the one words. So now just you mark it. If you need, I will dictate the answer again. First one option B, second one option C, third one option A, fourth one option A, fifth one option A, sixth one option B, seventh one option B, 8th one option A, 9th one option D, 10th one option C, 11th one option B, 12th one option B, 13th one option B, 14th one option B, 15th one C, 16th one D option, 17th one C option, 18th one C option, 19th one B option, 20 A option, 21 B option, 22 B option, 23 C option, 24 A option, 25 A option, 26 A option, 27 B option, 1 is the answer, 28 D option, 29 B option, 34 factorial, C option is the answer. Okay, so all of you please mark down the one words and learn for the exam. Okay, so all of you turn to your book to the first unit one words. We will mark the first unit one words now. Turn to page number 20, first unit onwards. Okay, first one, if A is equal to 1, 2, 3, then the rank of A transpose is 1. D option is the answer. The rank of M cross N matrix whose elements are unity is option B, 1 is the answer. Third one, if T is equal to AB, one matrix is given as a transition probability matrix, then at equilibrium A is equal to 1 by 4. A option is the answer. Fourth one, if A is equal to 2, 0, 0, 8, then row of A is 2 is the answer, C option. Fifth one, the rank of a particular matrix is 3, D is the option. D option is the answer. Sixth one, the rank of a unit matrix of order n is B option, n is the answer. If row of A is equal to R, then which of the following is correct? That is B option is the answer. If A is equal to 1, 2, 3, then the rank of A transpose is 1. If the rank of the matrix is given as is 2, then lambda is 1. A option is the answer. 10th one, the rank of the diagonal matrix, the answer is 3. C option is the answer. 11th one is a transition probability matrix, then the value of x is 0.4. C option is the answer. 12th one, B option is the answer. 13th one, if row of A equal to row of A comma B, then the system is C option, consistent. If row of A equal to row of A comma B, then the number of unknowns, then the system is consistent and has unique solution. Then if row of A not equal to row of A comma B, then the system is inconsistent. C option is the answer. In a transition probability matrix, all the entries are greater than or equal to 0. Okay. If the number of the variables in a non-homogeneous system Ax equal to B is n, then the system possesses a unique solution only when B option is the answer. The system of equation 4x plus 6y is equal to 5, 6x plus 9y is equal to 7 has no solution. B option is the answer. 19th one. For the system of equations, 3 equations are there. A option, there is only one solution. 20. If determinant of A not equal to 0, then A is non-singular matrix. Option A. 21. The system of linear equations has unique solution if K is not equal to 0. 22. Cramer's rule is applicable only to get a unique solution when delta not equal to 0. Then 23. The answer is D option. 24. The option is C, 6. 25. Rank of a null matrix is 0. Okay students. So please learn out the summary clearly. For one verse it will be very helpful for you. Then in integral calculus nearly 70 to 60 formula you have learned. Okay, so I think 60 minimum. So you learn all the formulas thoroughly. It will be very useful to do the problems as well as it will be useful to do, work out the one words. So first all of you learn all the formulas in integral calculus. Okay, afterwards please learn the summary also backside. It will be useful for you. So I gave the one verse. The reason is for you the exam is there, so it will be helpful for you. Please now mark down. Afterwards explain the one verse. So third chapter is integral calculus 2. Now we have learned integral calculus 1. So their area, bounded curve, something and all you are going to learn. So we will start the new chapter in our next class. Before that, please complete your class works neatly. First unit as well as second unit, complete all the problems. Each and everything is very important. 2.83, nearly 83 examples are there. Exercise 2.11. So 11 exercises are there. Completed everything before the next class. 3 homeworks I gave. So please complete the homeworks also. So we'll start our new chapter in the next class. Be safe students. Learn well. Don't waste your time. Thank you students.